Let's see the review of Havoc OS 4.4 on Poco X2. This update is of 22nd April. And thank you so much guys. We have completed 1000 subscribers. Thank you to each and everyone. And still if you haven't subscribed, do it right now. Now let's skip to the about phone. As you can see, the Android version is Android 11. The Havoc version is 4.4. The security is of 5 April. The kernel version is 4.14 kernel. And the build date is 22nd April. Now let's see some customizations in network and internet and Geo. We get 4G calling and is Volt, and Volt is working fine. As you see logo in hotspot, you get Wi-Fi hotspot. In this you get USB tethering, Bluetooth tethering and Ethernet tethering. And here you also get option of allow client to use VPN on hotspot. In connected devices and connection preferences, you get Bluetooth, cast, printing, file receiver Bluetooth, Chromebook, driving mode, nearby share and Android Auto. And the main customizations, that is the configuration center. Here you get tons and tons of customizations. In status bar, you get clock. In clock you get auto hide clock, high duration, show duration, clock position, AM PM style, show seconds. In date you get date, style, date, format, date, position, etc. In logo, in enable it, get logo position and logo style. Then you get brightness control, double to sleep, network speed. In this, when you enable it, you can choose the location, display mode, auto hide threshold and refresh interval. In career label, you get location and custom text. Then you get icon style, battery percentage and battery bar. In battery bar, when you enable it, you get location, alignment, thickness, charging animation, custom charging color, charging color, etc. Then you get status icons. Here you can choose the icon. At the last you get notification count. In quick settings, you get quick QoS pull down, smart pull down, battery estimates, tint tiles. Then you can choose the rows and columns in portrait and landscape mode. Then you get tile title, setting icon, running service icon and edit icon. In lock screen, you get double to sleep, quick settings and charging info. In ambient display, you get battery label, always on. In always on, when you turn it on, you can set a schedule. Then you get always on when charging, new notification and music ticker. In gestures, you get double tap gesture and pick up gesture. And down here you get hand wave and pocket gesture. Then you get ambient display and 4 brightness values. In button and navigation, you get navigation bar. In this you get system navigation. Here you get gesture navigation, 2 button and 3 button. And everything is working fine. The back button, home button and recent. As you can see, it's working fine. And even a 2 button. As you can see, the navbar comes. Even 3 button. As you can see, it's working fine. And in gesture navigation and settings, you get left edge, right edge, dead zone, gesture bar length. In additional settings, you get extended swipe action, long swipe timeout, long left swipe action and long right swipe action. Then you get swipe volume buttons. In gestures, you get quickly open the camera, system navigation. In this you get the same options. Then you get prevent ringing, power menu. In this you get device control, advanced restart and sensitive content. Then you get quick torch, skip music tracks and 3-finger screenshot. In notifications you get edge lighting. When you turn it on, you get show always, show on AOD, hide on AOD, light color, light view, light duration, light repeat count, etc. Then you get header notification. When you turn it on, you get timeout, snooze timer, less boring notification, disable app launch, add up to stop list and add up to blacklist. Then you get notification header, kill app button and noisy notifications. In battery saving, you get suspend actions. When you turn it on, you get screen off action delay, screen on action delay, switch to 2G, switch to 3G, disable mobile data and disable GPS. Then you can block sensors. As you can see, when you turn it on, you can block sensor for certain apps. At the last, you get aggressive battery. Here you get aggressive idle and aggressive standby. And down here you get option of auto enable on battery saver. In media, you get adaptive playback. In this you get playback timeout, music visualizer. In music visualizer you get, when you turn it on, you get location, render mode, color mode, custom color, animation smoothing, bar width, bar spacing, block size, etc. Then you get media artwork and media artwork blur level. In miscellaneous, you get gaming mode. When you turn it on, you get block notification, disable automatic brightness, ringer mode, gaming mode indication, and dynamic mode. And you can also add app for gaming mode. Then you get wake device and charging animation, and about section for Havoc OS. In apps notification, you get conversations. In notifications, you get notification history and notification bubbles. Down here, you get notification lock screen, sensitive notification, skip lock screen, hide silent notification on status bar, allow notification snoozing, suggested action and replies, notification tower turn up icon, blink light, default, notification sound, and no stop mode. In apps notifications, you get conversation, notification, assistant, screen time, default tab, policy manager, wireless, emergency alert, and special app access. In battery, you get battery saver, and this you get extreme battery saver. Here you get option of when to use. Suppose you choose always use and turn on the battery saver. All third-party apps will get disabled, as you can see. Here you also get option of essential apps. Suppose you choose Chrome. Even the battery saver is on, you can still use the Chrome, as you can see. Then you can set a schedule and turn off and charge. Then you get charging LED. In this you get battery LED in internal stop mode and low battery indication. Then you also get option of smart charging. When you enable it, you get stop level and start level, and the battery level is pretty good. I get around 7 hours to 8 hours screen on time. In display, get brightness level, dark theme, night light, adaptive brightness, and styles wallpaper. In wallpaper, you can choose the wallpaper. In styles, you can choose the accent color, font type, etc. In clock, you can choose the lock screen clock, and you get many options, as you can see. In live display, you get reading mode and color calibration. In rotation, you can auto rotate screen for 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 and 270 degrees. In colors, you get natural, boosted, saturated, and adaptive. Here you get lock screen. Here you get notification lock screen, skip lock screen, and text on lock screen, show lockdown option, always show time and info, and wake screen for notification. Then you get double to wake, prevent accidental touch. Here you also get option of device specific settings. Here you can choose the refresh rate, auto and low refresh rate, and battery saver refresh rate. And in battery saver refresh rate, you can choose 60 Hz and 50 Hz. In ambient display, you get the same options. In sound, you can choose the media sounds. Down here you get live caption. When you turn it on, you get language, high profanity, show sound label, and live caption in volume control. Let's turn it off. If the live caption is on, it will use more battery. Then you get volume steps. And down here you get clear speaker. That is, it will play a 30-second audio to clear speaker. But here, you don't get an option for MI sound enhancer. In storage, you get storage manager. In this you get option of remove photos, videos over 30 days, 60 days and 90 days. In privacy, you get permission manager. Here you can allow or deny permission for certain apps. Then you get show password, show clipboard access alert, show permission hub, notification lock screen, device personalized services, app content, autofill stories by Google, Google Ocean history, etc. In location, you can allow or deny location for certain apps. In security, you get pattern, fingerprint, and face unlock. And down here you also get option of app locker. As you can see, in recents, you get screenshot, clear all, and share. Now let's see the Gigabyte score. The single core score is 447 and the multi-core score is 1391. Now let's see the camera DPI is enabled or not. Let's manual camera and start. As you can see, it's enabled. Now let's see the safety net and run test. As you can see, it's passed. In DRM info down here, as you can see, the wired one element is working fine. In notifications, you get AOD, that is always on display, and it's working fine. I'll show you. As you can see, it's working fine. In this you get a stock launcher with customizations like in home screen you get allow workspace edit, at a glance, Google feed, top gradient, icon label, multi-line label, always center wallpaper, and home screen rotation. In app drawer you get hidden apps, icon label in portrait, icon label in landscape, multi-line label and suggestions. In grid you get dog icon, column and rows. In icons you get icon pack, icon size, notification dot and add app to home screen. In gestures you get double to sleep, swipe down for notification and swipe down for clear all. And about section for shady launcher. In this you get a stock camera, that is this one, but of course you can install Gcam which I have installed. As you can see, now let's see the calls working or not. 198.
To Geo मराठीसाठी 1 दाबा. To continue in English, press 2. हिंदी के लिए 3 दाबा.
As you can see, the call is working fine. The ROM is extremely stable. I didn't face a major bug. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.
What just happened?